Hello there. Do you know you can get all paid versions of softwares free on Google? Yes, I mean it's free. Yes, so come let me show you. So with this trick I'm about to show you, you just have to enter this unique code and attach it to your set term, and it will give you the free version that you want. So if it is games that you want, you just attach the code to the games, and it will give you free games on Google. Or if it is movie that you want, you attach the code to the movies, and it will give you free sites where you can download movies on Google. And the code is 94FBR. 94FBR. And with this code, it also helps you direct you to the unique item that you want. You know that stress when you want something on Google and you just have to scroll through various searches to find the right one. With this code, it will give you the right item that you want. This is Tech, and here we give you free tech tips. Subscribe for more.